This absolute behemoth of a tree is called a beech. I'm by no means a slender guy, but look how much this tree dwarfs me in circumference. And not to mention height, but no one's that tall. Except Slender Man. You can help define if something is a beech tree by the fairly smooth-ish silvery bark. Oh my god, what a glorious thing this is. If you stand underneath it, you can often find beech nuts too. This one's open. Contrary to their giant size when they're adults, their leaves are fairly small. When left to dry like that, they're actually really good substrate for not just gardens and terrariums, but even inside aquariums, if that's what you're going for. It's a good example of some live leaves too. Beech trees can live up to 350 years, which sounds like a long time, and it kind of is, but compared to oaks and yews, which can live over 1,000, they're kind of the middle-age bracket of these types of trees. Still, the sizes they can attain in this relatively short time, ecologically speaking, is nothing to scoff at. These botanical behemoths can reach sizes of 130 feet or 40 meters. Being so big and having so many leaves means they create the perfect shady habitat for one of Britain's best and most beautiful wildflowers, the bluebells. That's why they thrive in places such as this. Around 100 different species of insects rely on beech trees and thus feed a variety of different organisms that eat those bugs. Despite being well adapted to the British environment, beech do prefer well-drained soil, so don't do so well in areas with a lot of bogging, so you won't find them in British rainforests very often. On the flip side of that, they also do not do well in drought, so you need the proper conditions for these types of trees. Despite being a lot more sensitive than other native British trees, they are still a vital component of a lot of broad-leafed woodland habitats. Come autumn time, they give us a beautiful display of colour that shifts to yellow and then bronze. Absolutely stunning. And even if it's not autumn, they can still give us great sights like this, as the sun drips through their boughs. Love you, beech. Ain't ever gonna stop loving you, beech.